Entity-first indexing is a phrase we use at Mobile Moxie to rename or redescribe mobile-first indexing because we think entity-first indexing is a more accurate representation of what's going on. In this concept, or in this idea of what's happening with mobile-first indexing, we believe that Google has reorganized its index to be based on entity concepts rather than on URLs and domains, because we think entity concepts allow Google to organize information that includes things that are not just websites, so things like native apps, things like videos, podcasts, audio files, databases, XML feeds, and potentially even offline content. And this allows Google to reach its goal of organizing the world's information more holistically and more accurately. Because remember, if Google's goal is to organize the world's information, they were leaving a lot of information out because it didn't have URLs. So organizing things based on entities is easier. It also allows Google to aggregate ideas and concepts and entity and relationships once, and then put languages underneath those entity concepts, which stay consistent across different languages for the most part. The old way of Google doing it was Google was relearning everything over and over again in each language, which isn't as efficient as organizing the information once and then putting the languages underneath. So language becomes a modifier of an entity rather than the other way around. So it's more efficient. So that is entity-first indexing.